Up is Sophia.
Come on, Sophia. 1, 2, 3. And bow. Slowly, beautiful. And then walk 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. First pose. Second pose. Okay. But this one we're gonna be a little bit change. What's empty first? Okay. We're gonna go this way. Yep. I put the hand down. And second one, let me put 2 hands like this. 2 hands like this. Come here, see? You accelerate. Good job. And come over here. First action. Smiling, right? Second action. Okay, and walk over. That, right? And 3 more. Action. Action. And turn. Slowly. And you come over here. Action. Action. And you look up audience. Smiling. Okay? Don't look at your feet. And
Look at my feet.
look at audience and smile. Look at your mom. And you turn like that. And walk sexy. Not like this, but sexy. Okay?
Next model is Aliyah.
Don't put your head like that when you walk. Okay. Good job. Action. Turn. Yes. Good job. Wow. Look at mommy and walk. Yes. Wow. Good job. Action. Turn around. Action. Yes.
Good job.
Got it. Got it.
Next model is Amira.
Amira. Wow, beautiful. Yes. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Yes, I like it. Yes. Like that. Wow. Action. Wow. You got it. You got it. Good job. Good job. It's a lot.
First model is Cash Yang.
Yeah, somebody will call you before you come out. Look at audience and slowly. Okay. You look audience first before you go down. 1, 2, 3. First pose. Second pose. Okay, turn. Okay, walk over here. First pose. Look at audience smiling. Second pose. Yes. Walk sexy. Yes. Okay, handsome. Okay, over here. First pose. Second pose. Yes. And with the third. And walk. Don't back. Walk. Yeah, walk nice. Yes. This leg up. This leg up.
Okay, our next model is Wen Yang.
You look up audience first and slowly. Okay. 1, 2, 3. First pose. Second pose. And then. Good job. Yes. First pose. Second pose. Okay, walk over there. Look at audience, honey. Yeah, look at audience. Again, first pose. Second pose. Good job. This leg. Move this leg. Yeah, good. Okay, come over here. Okay. Yeah, now look at audience. And someone will bring you up, okay? Walk gently. 1, 2, 3. Same action. Okay. Look at audience. A lot of people will take picture for us, okay? Okay, everybody back over here first. And after. Good job. And please that 1, 2, 3. First action. Second action. Put the hand down. Relax the hand. Second one. Up. Do some action like that. Do like that. Relative action. Yes, like that. First action. Second action. And walk over there. First action. Second action. Okay. At the same time. Action. Good job. Walk. Bow. Beautiful bow. Good job. And walk to 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. First action. Second action. Okay. And turn. One more time. Good job. Now ready? Okay, got it. Look up, audience smiling. Yes, like that. Look at audience smiling.
Next model, Jaslyn.
Good job. Turn. Right hand first. Okay, good job. Second one. Second turn. Yes, good. And then first pose. Second pose. Okay, good job. And then turn other
Walk,
side.
yeah.
Then again, first pose. Second pose. Yes. Final pose. Good job. Yay! And remember? Yes. And we turn this way. Like that. Got it? And smile at the audience. Got it? Okay, good job. You did a good job.